Golston, the Insurance Committee in the State Assembly held this oversight hearing to better understand when exactly this plan will take shape and how California customers will be impacted. First, a refresher on that plan, which the Insurance Commissioner announced and we reported in September. This plan would allow insurance companies to factor two issues when setting rates that they are currently not allowed to do in California. The first is consider the impacts of climate change. The other is to factor in the company cost of reinsurance, which is when insurance companies also buy insurance coverage for themselves. In exchange, the commissioner says insurance companies are agreeing to cover more properties in high fire prone risk areas. So in terms of the timeline, the commissioner told lawmakers today the new rules face several steps within his agency and will likely not be finalized until December of 2024, a year from now. When asked when California's insurance market will finally begin to stabilize, the commissioner said likely sometime in 2025. Another big question for the commissioner: will this new plan raise costs for Californians? He repeatedly said yes. He was also asked if he thinks the insurance market gets worse before it gets better. Here was his response.
My biggest fear is that we have another 2017 or 2018 that unravels this agreement. And so, but I'll tell you, I don't think it's going to get worse. I think just by, as we know that in business, people need certainty and they need to know that we're moving in the right direction.
Insurers do not want to leave the state of California. We are committed to working with policymakers. And to that end, we want to thank the Speaker and we want to thank this committee and the chair in particular for holding these hearings and engaging in these thoughtful, not always exciting discussions, and really look forward to bringing stability and availability back to the market.
Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle praised the insurance commissioner for his work on this, but their message to him was to overall move as quickly as possible while also making sure that the public is involved in this process.
Yeah, millions of people depending on this work right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's crucial. All right. Thanks, Ashley.